Now on 60-second booze reviews, Mead District's Original Sparkling. So the Mead District is a little company who's not long started, based in the Peak District in the UK. They're called the Honey Spirits Co, but they produce the Mead District Original Sparkling. Great products made with 100% mead, 100% honey even. Made with a couple of types of hops. It's got Cascade hop, it's got Citra hop in there. It's 5.5%, really light, refreshing. Similar in a way to the Gosnell style of that kind of light, refreshing one. I actually think this is a little bit crisper and cleaner, probably getting closer to more the style of a Prosecco. But you get more acids coming through. I think this is great if you want to chill this down, have it in replacement of Prosecco, or you can have it as a sessionable kind of mead. I think it's really great. This is a first batch that they've produced, so it's going to be a company to watch and grow and see kind of where they go from here. And that is the Mead District Original Sparkling.